Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Facebook payments for payouts and tax verification, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Facebook Business Manager website. Log into your Facebook account linked to your business. Once logged in, click on the Business Settings option located in the left sidebar. In the Business Settings menu, find and select Payments. Now, locate the Payouts section within the Payments settings. Click on Set up Payouts to start the authentication process. You will be prompted to provide necessary business information. Enter your legal business name as it appears on official documents. Next, input your business email address for communications. You will need to provide your business address, including city and zip code. Follow this by entering your tax identification number. This can be your employer identification number, social security number, or VAT number. After filling in your tax information, choose your preferred payment method. You can select from options such as bank transfer or PayPal. If opting for bank transfer, supply your banking information, including account number and routing number. Review all entered information carefully to ensure accuracy. Once verified, click on Continue to proceed to the next step. Next, Facebook will require you to authenticate your identity. This usually involves uploading a government-issued ID for verification. Ensure that the ID is clearly visible and meets the specified requirements. Once uploaded, click on Submit to send your information for review. Facebook will notify you once your information has been reviewed and approved. Stay tuned for any additional requests for documentation from Facebook. Upon approval, you will receive confirmation regarding your payout setup. Finally, ensure to regularly check your email and Facebook business notifications for updates. This completes your authentication process for payouts and tax verification with Facebook payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.